How do you route transducer cables on a boat? Imagine trying to find the perfect spot for your fish finder or depth sounder on your boat. Now, think about how you get that cable from the transducer to your electronics without creating a mess or risking damage. Routing transducer cables might seem simple, but doing it right makes a big difference in performance and durability. First, plan your path carefully. You want the cable to stay protected and avoid areas with lots of electrical noise, like near ignition wires or batteries. Keep the cable away from high-current wires to prevent interference that can distort your readings. Decide whether to run the cable over the transom or through a drilled hole. Drilling a hole above the waterline is usually best because it keeps water out. Use a drill with a bit that matches the size of your cable, typically around 1/4 inch or smaller. Drill a pilot hole first to keep things precise. After passing the cable through, seal the hole with marine-grade sealant to prevent water from seeping in. When routing over the transom, secure the cable with cable clamps or zip ties. Place the clamps every 6 to 12 inches to keep the cable steady. Avoid over-tightening the clamps because that can damage the cable jacket. If your boat has cable hooks or channels, use those to keep everything neat and protected. If you need to run the cable inside the boat, look for existing wiring channels or conduits. These help keep the cable organized and out of the way of other gear. Make gentle curves when routing the cable. Sharp bends can damage the internal wiring or cause signal issues. Keep the cable away from sharp edges or moving parts that could chafe it over time. If you need to extend the cable, always use manufacturer-approved marine extension cables and waterproof connectors. These maintain the waterproof seal and ensure good signal quality. Remember to secure the cable along its entire length, especially at points where it might move or chafe. Use marine-grade sealant on all drilled holes and screw points for extra protection. Following these steps helps keep your transducer cable safe from water, interference, and damage. Proper routing ensures your fish finder or depth sounder works reliably, giving you accurate readings every time you hit the water.